Top 9 Probiotic Food. Probiotics can help maintain a healthy balance of gut bacteria, which is essential for good digestion and overall well-being. Here are probiotic-rich drinks you can make at home. Kefir. Resembling yogurt but boasting a more dilute consistency, kefir is a fermented milk beverage. It offers a diverse assortment of probiotics and can be a valuable supplement to your diet. Sauerkraut. The fermentation of cabbage culminates in sauerkraut, a conventional probiotic-abundant fare. Opt for unpasteurized sauerkraut to ensure the presence of live cultures. Kimchi. Hailing from Korea, kimchi constitutes a dish crafted from fermented vegetables, frequently cabbage and radishes, enlivened with spices. It furnishes a flavorsome source of probiotics. Miso. Embedded within Japanese cuisine, miso is a fermented soybean paste. It frequently finds its application in producing miso soup and imparts a savory umami dimension to dishes. Tempeh. A soybean derivative subject to fermentation, tempeh boasts elevated protein and probiotic content. It exhibits a nutty flavor and adapts well to various culinary preparations. Kombucha. A fermented tea-based beverage, kombucha harbors live cultures. Available in assorted flavors, it's renowned for its zesty taste. Pickles. Fermented in brine. Conventional pickles, conceived through natural fermentation in brine instead of vinegar, offer a source of probiotics. Traditional buttermilk. Distinct from the cultured variety found in stores, traditional buttermilk emerges as a result of churning cultured cream into butter. It abounds in probiotics. Natto. Originating from Japan, natto materializes as a dish produced from fermented soybeans. Its distinctive taste and texture often accompany rice-based meals.